Hello my dear students, welcome to chemistry classes. Students, in the previous videos we learned about the group 15 family members, properties of a group 15 family and preparation of group 15 family members and like physical properties and chemical properties and uses of group 15 family in the P block element. Okay. And now in this class I am going to tell you the next concept of a P block element, that is oxygen family. So here I am going to clarify some of the points of oxygen family. They are occurrence, electronic configurations, symbols, and some of the important properties like physical properties and chemical properties, and preparation of some of the compounds like oxygen compounds, sulfur compounds, it means selenium, tellurium, polonium compounds, and uses of oxygen family members. Okay, so let us start with the first one, oxygen family members, atomic number and electronic configuration. So first start with that first one. Atomic number, and here name of the elements, name of the elements and atomic number and symbol of elements, and next one electronic configuration of that elements, electronic configuration of group 16 family, nothing but oxygen family. Okay students, now previous class ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ group 15 family ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ group 16 family, nothing but oxygen family ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, so first one, name of the elements of a group 16, nothing but oxygen family. Here the members are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. So these are the oxygen family members, or you can say group 16 family members. First one, oxygen, second one sulfur, third one is selenium, fourth one tellurium, and last one is fifth one polonium. So these are the family members of group 16. Okay, and atomic number of that respective family members, atomic numbers. Oxygen atomic number is, students, 8, sulfur 16, selenium 34, tellurium 52 and polonium 84. So these are the respective atomic number of group 16 family members: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. And symbol of that elements: oxygen symbol is, students, capital O, sulfur capital S, selenium capital S small e, tellurium capital T small e, polonium capital P small o. So these are the symbol of group 16 family members and respective electronic configuration. So here electronic configuration ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? This is the electronic configuration: noble gas, NS2 NP4. This is the general electronic configuration of oxygen family or group 16 elements. Noble gas, NS2 NP4. This is the group 16 family members general electronic configuration. Okay, first one, oxygen, helium, this is the noble gas, 2s2 2p4. Okay, 2s2 2p4. ಯಾಕೆ 2s2 2p4 ಬರೀತೀವಿ? 2 ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಕಾಣೋಣ n. Okay, n ನಾವು 2 ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ because oxygen is present in the second period. Okay, and next one, sulfur, neon 3s2 3p4. Okay, like this you can write about selenium electronic configuration, tellurium, polonium also. Okay, right here argon 3d10 4s2 4p4, and next one tellurium, krypton, and polonium, xenon. Five s two 5p4. Here 4d10 5s2 5p4, and here 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p4. So this is about electronic configuration of a oxygen family. Oxygen atomic number 8 symbol O, electronic configuration is helium 2s2 2p4, and sulfur atomic number 16 symbol S, neon 3s2 3p4, and next one selenium atomic number 34 symbol Se, argon 3d10 4s2 4p4, tellurium 52 its atomic number symbol is Te, and krypton 4d10 5s2 5p4, and next one polonium atomic number 84 symbol Po, xenon 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p4. And this is about the elements, atomic number, symbol, and electronic configuration. And the next one, students, occurrence. Okay. Next one, occurrence of a group 16 family. Occurrence. Okay. Okay, I will write here. Students, here group 16 family members, general electronic configuration is noble gas NS2 NP4. Okay, and next one occurrence. Okay, students, here oxygen is the most abundant element in the earth crust. Actually it is 46.6% by mass of earth crust, and oxygen it is also present in the air, and it has 20.94% by volume of air. And one more point, oxygen is all. And next one, sulfur. Sulfur, student, here sulfur 0.03% to 0.5% of sulfur is present in the earth crust, and sulfur it is also present in the egg and milk and garlic and proteins. And sulfur it is also present in the earth crust in a volcano or volcano eruptions. There also sulfur is present. And next one, student, sulfur it is also present as a sulfates. Sulfur idu sulfates ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, sulfur is mainly occur as a sulfates like borates, Epsom salt, and gypsum salt. Okay, and next one, sulfur is also present as a sulfides like galena and zinc blend. And next one here, selenium and tellurium. These selenium and tellurium they mainly occur as a metal ores. And polonium it is a radioactive decay product of uranium and thorium. Okay, I will write here first one, oxygen, occurrence of oxygen. Occurrence of oxygen. First one, oxygen. Oxygen is the most abundant of all the elements. Most abundant of all the elements. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ elements consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ oxygen is the most abundant of all the elements, and it is 46.6% by mass of earth crust, or by mass of earth crust. Okay, 46.6% by mass of earth crust, and 20.94% by volume of air. By volume of air. 20.94% by volume of air. This is about oxygen. Okay, oxygen is the most abundant of all the elements, and it is 46.6% by mass of earth crust and 20.94% by volume of air. And next one, sulfur. Sulfur. Student, here sulfur it has 0.03% to 0.5% by volume of by mass of earth crust. Okay, sulfur it has 0.03% to 0.5%. It is present mainly in the earth crust, and sulfur occurs in earth crust as sulfates. Student, sulfur it is occur in the earth crust as sulfates. Sulfur ಇದು ಸಲ್ಫೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ gypsum. And second one Epsom salt, or you can say simply Epsom, and lastly barytes. Sulfur occurs in the earth crust as sulfates like gypsum, Epsom salt, and barytes. So here gypsum nothing but here CaSO4, 2H2O, CaSO4 2H2O, CaSO4 2H2O, and Epsom salt nothing but here students MgSO4 7H2O, and barytes nothing but its formula is BaSO4. Take it. Students, sulfur it has 0.03 to 0.5% present in the earth crust, and sulfur occur in the earth crust as sulfates, gypsum, Epsom salt, and barytes. Gypsum formula is CaSO4 2H2O, and Epsom salts its formula is MgSO4 7H2O, and barytes its formula is BaSO4. They present as a calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, and a barium sulfate. And one more, sulfate it is occur in the earth crust as a sulfides. Sulfates occurs as sulfides. Sulfates occur as a sulfides like lead sulfide, okay, or zinc blend ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. I will write here. Sulfates occur as sulfides as galena its formula is PbS, lead sulfide, and one more, that is zinc blend, that is the formula ZnS. And sulfur it is also present in the egg, and it is also present in the protein, and is also present in the garlic. Okay, so this is about occurrence of oxygen and sulfur. And next one student, selenium and tellurium. Here selenium and tellurium they occur as a metal ores. Okay, selenium and tellurium occurs as metal ores. Selenium and tellurium occurs as a metal ores. And lastly polonium is the radioactive decay product of uranium and thorium. thorium. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯುರೇನಿಯಂ ಮತ್ತು ಥೋರಿಯಂ ಡಿಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಲೋನಿಯಂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ electronic configuration, atomic number, symbol and occurrence of group 16 family members, nothing but oxygen family members. Take it down. And next we'll move towards some general properties of group 16 family. And now students, next concept, that is some general properties of oxygen family. Okay, some general properties of oxygen family, nothing but here electronic configuration, atomic radii and ionic radii, ionization energy or ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, electronegativity, physical state, nature of elements, allotropy, melting point, boiling point and atomicity of group 16 family, nothing but oxygen family. First one student, electronic configuration. What is the general electronic configuration of group 16 family members? Noble gas, NS2, NP4. First one, general electronic configuration, that is noble gases, NS2, NP4. This is the general electronic configuration of group 16 or oxygen family. And next one students, atomic radii and ionic radii. Atomic radii means size. Okay, atomic radii or ionic radii. Student, here atomic radii, it is increases down the group. For example, you can consider here oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Here, when you move down the group, atomic size is increases because shells are increases. Okay, idu na already first class alli andre p block element first class alli helidini, just once rewind ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, when you move along the group, atomic size or ionic radii, it is increases down the group. Okay, so increases down the group, due to increase in the shells. Okay, due to increase in the shells. And next one, ionization enthalpy, ionization energy, the amount of energy required to remove an electron from an isolated gaseous atom. It is called ionization energy or ionization enthalpy. Okay, now here ionization enthalpy of group 16 family members, they shows low ionization energy as compared to group 15 family member. Okay, group 15 family member compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ group 16 family member ಅಂದ್ರೆ oxygen family members, so they show lower ionization energy because nitrogen family, they have a stable electronic configuration. Okay, and now oxygen family, when you come to oxygen family, ionization energy, it is decreases down the group. Oxygen in the polonium ವರೆಗೂ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ionization enthalpy or ionization energy ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ because increase in the size. Okay, decreases down the group because ionization energy is inversely proportional to atomic size. And next one students, electron gain enthalpy. Okay, electron gain enthalpy. Here in electron gain enthalpy about oxygen family, sulfur, it shows highest negative value as compared to oxygen. Okay, sulfur, it has highest negative value as compared to oxygen because due to the compact size of oxygen atom. And next one, electronegativity. You know already electronegativity. Oxygen is the second most electronegative element in the periodic table. Okay, that is why here electronegativity, oxygen, it shows the highest electronegativity, or you can say second most electronegative element. And here when you move along the group, electronegativity decreases. Okay. Fourth one, electronegativity. Electronegativity decreases down the group. Electronegativity decreases down the group. Decreases down the group because increase in the size. And next one, physical state. Okay, physical state. Physical state. Student, here oxygen is a gaseous in nature, whereas all the members of a group 16 family members are solid in nature. Okay, here oxygen is gaseous in nature, whereas all the remaining members, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, these all are solids. Sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium, these all are solid in nature. And next one, allotropy. Student, here group 16 family members, they show allotrophic nature. Means oxygen, it is a diatomic in nature. Oxygen, it is a diatomic in nature, whereas other members are a polyatomic in nature. Or you can say they shows different allotrophic forms like O16, O17 and so on. Okay. And melting point and boiling point. Student, here group 16 family members, they show high melting point and boiling point. When you move along the group, melting point and boiling point increases. Okay. And next one, atomicity. I already told you atomicity. Oxygen is a diatomic in nature, whereas other family members are polyatomic in nature. And so student, here let us check once atomic radii and ionic radii. So ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Okay, atomic radii and ionic radii. Atomic radii, ionic radii, they are increases down the group. Oxygen to polonium ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ atomic size ಆಮೇಲೆ atomic radii increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay ನಾ? Next one, electronic configuration, noble gas NS2 and before. And next, ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy is decreases down the group because ionization enthalpy, it is inversely proportional to atomic size. Okay, that is why decreases down the group. And next one, electron gain enthalpy. Here sulfur has more negative value. Sulfur has more negative value than oxygen due to compact size of oxygen. Okay. And electronegativity. Oxygen is the more electronegative element in the second most electronegative element in the periodic table. Physical state, oxygen is a gaseous in nature, whereas sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium are the solid. Allotropy, diatomic, melting point, boiling point, they show high melting point.